I will try. Namaste and good evening, all of you. Myself Padma Katti. I'm a holistic health coach and also meditation teacher. And because of the naturopathy, I recently finished. And before also I done the yogic sign. So because of that experience, and I am using all these techniques, right? Today we are going to learn very beautiful concept about the student success or maybe student focus. And how many of you ready to learn new techniques? Because parent students से ज़्यादा parents को worry होती है, right? How many of you agree? Please switch on your video, students. Very Shreyas. Yes. Thank you. Hi everyone. Okay, that is the score. And where is Shanvi? Everyone, please try to switch on your cameras because I need to understand the face feelings and also clear about the concept. And today we are going to learn about the ancient teaching techniques, how we can improve the focus, concentration, and success in all exams. Not only for kids, okay, maybe now we are going to start the exams at least 10, maybe February 15th or 16th. Here we are going to start the February 16th or 15th. Okay, so maybe I hope everybody is starting your board exams. That's why I plan to take these sessions because we have many sessions to what we are learning. Okay, where we can apply to all both things. Today we are going to learn. One second. Okay. So पहले हम बच्चों के एग्जाम्स के थ्रू से when we are going to know for exams बच्चों से ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स को वरी होती है how they are going to present in the exams. How many of you agree? All parents who are attending here, parents, please raise your hands. Parents, okay. Shanvi and Gauri ji, Soumya, Nirja, okay. So very good. So how many of you agree? Because this is the interactive session, not like a every day we are taking the PPT. No, not like that. This is the mostly interactive session. So how many of you agree that we have the stress or maybe we have that feeling how these बच्चों ने कैसे perform करेगी? Because we know that how they are reading, how they are learning everything. बट वेन दे कैन परफॉर्म इन द एग्जाम टाइम के जो सबसे ज़्यादा होती है ना वो वरी పేరెంట్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ రైట్ పేరెంట్స్కి చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఈ స్ట్రెస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది ఎలా ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తారనేది and now we have the board exams 10th 11th 12th or maybe other बच्चों भी they all are have these board exams and इसके लिए so first technique I want teach you first and very very powerful technique and how many of you know the breathing techniques little bit pranayama. Okay, who are there in midbrain activation students? Shanvi, Darshan, Komli. Okay, so you people are know that, right? Rakshit also. How we can do the pranayama means breathing exercise, and who are doing the simple meditation practice. Okay, it's okay if you are not known the breathing techniques. Today we are going to learn. And all these techniques are we are using before now we have the at least 10 to 15 days time. Okay, I am taking as a normal. Okay, we have the 10 to 15 days time. Okay, these techniques if we can read or maybe if we are going to learn these techniques every day, okay, we can apply these techniques. So we need we can focus more and what we can learn we can apply in the exam papers. First thing is the breathing technique. Okay, in breathing, and how many of you know that right brain and left brain? Just raise your hands. भूल गए शानवी How many of you know that we have the left brain and right brain, right? Now I'm going to share the screen, so just wait for screen. Okay, I hope everybody watching the screen, right? So why I'm taking this picture, because we are aligning today with breathing exercise. Okay, Shreya. Okay, so breathing may we have the right brain. Okay, that is the just I'm going to the basic content, right? We have the creative brain and we have the logical brain. Right side is we have the creative brain, means so if you are enjoying the movie, laughing, right, you are writing some content. Okay, and you are children with your friends, you are doing the painting, all those are activated, means performed with the our right brain, right? And what is our left brain? If you are doing maths exams, right, if you are doing maths and logical hard things, if you are doing na without any thinking, मैथ्स में तो थिंकिंग चाहिए, बट यू नो दैट लॉजिकली इतना है तो इतना, इतना है तो इतना, राइट? सो वी हैव दैट लेफ्ट साइड ब्रेन. ओके, कितना लोगों को मैथ्स डिफिकल्टी लगती है इधर? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट मैथ्स इज डिफिकल्ट? Okay, Bhagya, there are many people, right? So now we can today we are learn how why we can feel that difficult. Okay, so in this technique, in left side and right side. Okay, so how many of you here left-handed people? Left-handed. Left-handed means you are writing left hand. Mahalakshmi means Darshan and Dhanush. I hope think Shrishti also. Okay, so right. So if you have the left-handed means your right brain is more active, because our right brain is where because our whole body system in our neuron system is controlled by our body, right? If you are active with the right brain means हम लोग लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से हम लोग ब्रीथिंग कर रही है. ये टेक्निक थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल. नेट, तो अभी हम लोग अगर आप लोग थोड़ा लॉजिकल, राइट, मीन्स इफ यू आर डूइंग वर्क, आपका मैथ्स अच्छा कर रही हो, इफ यू आर डूइंग मैथ्स, राइट, ओके, मैथ्स इज मे बी more people are feeling difficult, and maybe some people will feel difficult in chemistry, physics, biology also. If you are feeling hard means you are using your logical brains, means you are not using your right side creative brain. So we are not working, we are not activated our left nostril, right? So now we are going, I am going to stop the screen so I can look everyone. So first technique, that is the breathing technique, and where we are applying, mamas, how many of you there here, right? So note down, uh, before starting the studies, okay, Darshan and Dhanush also, before going to studies means अभी हम लोग study करने के लिए जा रही है बच्चा, right? If you are going to study, start to study, and they are came to school and they are opening the books, they are going to start the study. So just you can check there nostril breathing. This is a very ancient and secretive technique है. Okay, if you have any doubt ask me later. Just you can आप बच्चों के साथ नहीं तो आप भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. Just you can check your nostril breathing, right? वैसा करके जस्ट आपका चेक करना है दोनों के नाक का. एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो दैट हम लोग ने इनहेल करते हैं, एक्सेल करते हैं, राइट? ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट మన శ్వాస తీసుకుంటున్నాం, శ్వాస వదిలేస్తున్నాం. దట్స్ వై వి ఆర్ లైవ్, రైట్? And how many of you think that we are taking with the breathing two nostrils? हम लोग two nostrils से breathing ले रहे, inhale, and we are exhaling through the two nostrils, right? Raise your hands. Shanvi is saying one nostril. Shanvi, you are saying two nostrils. Yes, right. So everybody think like that only, but no, that is not a true. Okay, we can use alternate only one nostril for at least 1 hour for breathing, means inhale and exhale, maybe right nostril, maybe left nostril. राइट, वैसे नहीं कि if you are means पूरा बंद होती है नहीं, very little means we can use very little bit of left nostril breath. But right side अगर किसी का right active है means we are maybe taking up to 1 hour से हम लोग 1 hour से उससे breathing means only one nostril we can use every time. एक ही से यूज होती है इनहेल एक्सेल के लिए, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम दैट इज ऑटोमेटिकली एक्टिवेटेड टू लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल एंड राइट नॉस्ट्रिल. एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू क्लियर दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? सबको क्लियर है? श्रेया, गौरी, भाग्यलता मैडम, आर यू फॉलोइंग?
Ma'am, can you tell in English? I can't understand Hindi.
धनुष दर्शन. Okay, so if you have pen and paper, just all of you can check your breath. अभी भी हम लोग चेक कर सकते हैं. How many of you ready to check your nostril breathing now?
Ma'am, can I say one thing, ma'am?
Okay, so take this type of 2 papers or maybe 1 paper. Okay, everybody get your paper small. Everybody you can try. Your mamas also, everybody you can try, because all these are the not a scientific. Kushali, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I don't understand
You are
Hindi.
muted, Kushali. 1 second.
Can you explain in English?
I am not listening, or maybe everybody is following.
No, we are able to hear her, ma'am. She said she is not able to understand in Hindi.
Drop me a message in chat box.
Yeah, sure.
We are hearing her. Means from my side. Just a minute. Yeah, I am removing the Bluetooth.
One second. Can you please say in English?
Okay, now I can hear you. Is Kushali, you can take 2 papers, any paper, roughly like these papers. Okay, can you see me? Everybody, can you check like this? Okay, like this, take this. Okay, these papers. Shreyas, you have papers? Okay, first mamas, you can do it. So later you will explain easily. You can explain to your children. So all of you can take and look at me. I'm taking here. Okay, look at me. Maybe I want to do this spotlight for me. Yeah. So I'm taking these papers, right? All of you can observe, see. Okay. Right. Now my left side nostril means मेरा जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला है ना चंद्र नाड़ी, वी कैन से चंद्र नाड़ी. ओके, दैट इज मोर एक्टिव कंपैरेटिवली. राइट से मेरा चंद्र नाड़ी एक्टिव है, राइट? Not like this, we can keep like this. Exhale, inhale, and once look at मेरा लेफ्ट साइड वाला मूविंग ज्यादा हो रही है, राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑब्जर्व? Means now my left nadi means my left nostril is more active. Clear in the concept? Everyone doubt unte please raise your hand. How many of you actually checked? Please switch on your mic and show to me which nostril now you are dominating, left or right?
Ma'am, for me, ma'am, for me, right.
Right. Okay, you are activated the right nostril. Right. Okay, means Surya Nadi, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, Shanvi.
Ma'am, for my sister also right only.
Right only. Very good.
Ma'am.
Yes.
can breathe from the right nostril.
Okay, everybody have the right nostril. Okay. Right.
Ma'am, left. Ma'am, left.
Chandranadi.
Left. Okay. So we can say this is the ancient technique. Left side is Chandranadi and right side is the Suryanadi. Otherwise, left nostril and right nostril, right? So how many of you done? Parents, anyone doing? Gauri, SG, Shreyas, Mahant Raju. Because this is the interactive session, Soumya. Left. Okay. Darshan right. Okay. So maybe sometimes our nadis means our neurons have the many more kachra means we can say toxin. So sometimes it will be difficult to find left side or maybe right side. With practice, you know that left nostril is dominant or maybe right nostril. Okay, so now we are moving to the first one is finished. Okay, so second thing is when you are going to study the subject, right? आपका first we can think taking the hard subject. For example, I am taking Shreyas. What is your hard subject? Means if you can feel like this is difficult for me to get in.
Ma'am, Hindi.
Hindi, okay. So for Shreyas, Hindi is difficult, right? Because Shreyas have that concept. So what we can take when Shreyas want to read the subject, na? So Shreyas, if you are going to start the Hindi reading before just 1 minute, what you can do, you can look at your nostril breathing. Okay, now you know that how you can check the nostril breathing. If you are breathing on the right side, okay, so you can start the Hindi reading. If you are following the left nostril, okay, I can tell you how we can activate, but this is a very basic thing. Okay, so you can, if you are activated the right side is dominating, you can start with the reading and you can do the difficult things. If you are feeling very easy means very creative way, like if you know the art is I love this subject like biology hai, okay, logical वाला नहीं होता है, we are using like painting है, right? Otherwise we you love reading other books also, राइट मैथ्स का अगर आप किसी को मैथ्स पसंद है, राइट, दे वांट टू डू लव मीन्स दे हैव द वेरी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है, उनको बहुत अच्छा है, सो दे कैन स्टार्ट विद द लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल रीडिंग, एनी रीडिंग. नाउ पेरेंट्स नोट डाउन difficult things. If students will feel this is a difficult for me, so you can look at the nostril and start with the right nostril. And if anybody is feeling very happy, right, हमको नावल पढ़ना है, creativity का करना है, now almost all everybody is on the left nostril, क्योंकि मेरे को जो बोलना है ना, all of you are listening very carefully. आप लोगों का most of the time that is left side nostril आप लोगों का होना चाहिए. मैं टीचर हूँ तो मेरा राइट नॉस्ट्रिल होना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एक्टिवेटेड, आई एम इन द कूल मोड, दैट्स व्हाई माय लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल इज वर्किंग. बट मेरा राइट होना चाहिए, आप लोगों का सबका लेफ्ट होना चाहिए, बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर इन लेफ्ट वी कैन रिसीव मोर एंड मोर. लेफ्ट हमेशा रिसीवर होती है, राइट इज हमेशा गिवर होती है, राइट? सो दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. राइट साइड, लेफ्ट साइड. Right side you can use nostril for difficult things, left side you can use more for creative things. Okay, you want finish one book, big book आपको अभी finish करना है अच्छी तरीके से with the focus concentration, so you can activate your left nostril. वो activate कैसे करना है मैं बताऊंगा आपको. Now your concept is clear.
Good evening, Padma. Can you please repeat that once again? Left and right nostril for what?
Yes. See, first thing is, first we know the which nostril is working now, right? Left or right, that is हमारा जो लाइफ का डेस्टिनेशन है ना, we can hold change throughout our breath, right? First we can check the which one is dominating now. Left nostril breathing हम लोग ले रही है, otherwise right nostril breathing हम लोग ले रही है, right? We can check both. And for left we can use, if you want to start any book, okay, creative है, research paper है, you know that I love this work, पहले है I love this work, right? So for that you can start to when your left nostril is active, right?
Okay. Okay.
And if we can feel difficult है, कोई difficult काम कर रही है and we feel difficult है, for example math is difficult for me but मुझे तो करना ही चाहिए, I need that focus, that concentration, that strength. So I can check my left nostril and right nostril. If I am doing left nostril ना, I can't focus, मुझे लगता है कि just I can back hurt and मुझे अभी finish करके भागना है, but
Okay.
I can activate my right nostril when I am reading ना, so I accepted that because accept मेरे अंदर आ जाती, that hard means right is the for what, right is for the giving है and right is for the physical strength है, that's why. Okay, so I hope clear the concept because this is a very deep ancient techniques है, but I am giving according to students. Okay, so
Thank you.
parents,
Thank you, Padma.
पेरेंट्स को ये हमेशा याद रख, नॉट ओनली पेरेंट्स हु आर लर्नर in whole life, if you are going to give any exam or maybe you are going to any interview also, you can apply this technique. Second, okay, third thing, if you are going to do the exam paper, अगर आपको एग्जाम देने के लिए गई हो in your exam hall, I hope everybody in school बच्चों है, भाग्यलता मैडम स्कूल पिलर उन्ना, right? So how many of you now going to give the board exams? Okay, 10th से board exams है, how many of you are here for board exams? Okay, so it's okay. So okay, what Mahanraj, okay, so you can teach your children when they are entered and in the classroom and when they are going to write the paper, उन लोगों को तो पेपर लेना ही चाहिए स्टार्ट करने टाइम पे, so they can just check the nostril, उन लोगों को जस्ट चेक करने के लिए बोल दीजिए विच नॉस्ट्रिल दे आर टेकिंग द ब्रीथ, लेफ्ट और राइट, right? ये why I am taking these sessions now because I have the idea for before 20 days, but because of time schedule I am not started, but this is a right time, we have 10 to 12 days continuously I am going to train, so you can take that right or left nostril. If my left nostril is dominant when I'm going to attend the exam paper, right? So what I can do, I can take that paper with the left hand. Note down all of you. I can take that paper with the left hand. ఏదైతే మన హ్యాండ్ మన నాస్ట్రిల్ బ్రీతింగ్ అంటే మన శ్వాస దేని నుండి డామినేటింగ్ వస్తుందో ఆ హ్యాండ్ తోని మనం పేపర్ ని తీసుకోవాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, పిల్లలందరికీ నేర్పించండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. If my nostril, right nostril is dominating, okay, I can take the exam paper with the right hand. Okay, after that you can start your writing anything. Okay, left handed hai, right handed hai, that is not any issue. But when they are taking the question paper or maybe answer paper, first thing they can check their breathing and they can do that left hand or maybe right hand, because when we are going to present, okay, हम जितना भी पढ़ ले, because 1 hour or 1.5 hour में that will be changed, maximum 1 hour का maximum होती है, maximum 1.5 hour, but that will be changed 1 to 1.5 hour. In between we are taking as ज़्यादा stress ले रहे तो automatically that body will be changed the nostril breathing. But when you are going to start the paper, you can give that intention. All these are the signs we are using when we are taking na, we are giving the signal to our brain. If I am giving the I am taking with my left hand means I am activating my right brain. अभी मेरा right ज़्यादा चल रही है इसलिए I am aligning that energy. If I am taking the right hand means मेरा right nostril, I am taking the right nostril breathe, I am taking the paper with the right hand means I am activating my left side brain, right? Because all these वैसा होती है ना बच्चा, they are reading very much and they are focusing concentrating, but when we are looking the paper they got 80% or maybe 60%, we are as a parent that is normal, and बच्चे पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होती है. You can think that बच्चों की क्या स्ट्रेस होती है, नहीं, बच्चों के लिए भी स्ट्रेस होती है because they have their own
Not opening Zoom. Uh, Please anyone guide to KP Swapna, Madhu or Nirja. She's asking not opening the Zoom. Okay, so this is the thing. And one more thing, if we our battery is charging, so how we can touch our laptop or phone, we can feel hot, means that continuously working. Like that, if you are confused in your breathing, so you can look at like heat का जो होती है ना, that is the dominating वाला है. हीट का जो जनरेट होती है ना, that is the dominating है, right? So this is the second thing. Okay, these are the very very small tips, but these have the immense effect. इसका स्वर विज्ञान बोलते हैं, इसका ब्रीथिंग टेक्निक्स बोलते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी मीन्स ओल्ड एंशियंट टेक्निक. कितना लोगों को पता है कि पहले जमाने में इफ वी आर गोइंग टू आउटसाइड, वी कैन आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स यूज दिस टेक्निक्स. अगर मॉर्निंग उठने से भी दे कैन चेक द नॉस्ट्रिल. लेफ्ट का है तो दे कैन पुट लेफ्ट लेग, ओके, ऑन द एर्थ. अदरवाइज राइट है तो राइट का दे कैन कीप राइट ऑन द एर्थ, बिकॉज दिस इज अ साइंस है, राइट? बिकॉज वी वांट अलाइन दैट एनर्जीज. सेकंड थिंग, यू कैन यूज दिस टेक्निक. आप बच्चों के साथ ये टेक्निक हमेशा यूज कर दीजिए. बट इफ दे आर नॉट, if they want to read the study, right, but उनका easy है, creativity में है, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ना है, but they are now in the right nostril, now it working, so we can change that nostril. Okay, so हम लोगों को क्या है, we have this marmaric points, means we have the lymph node points. So if we can press in that place, we can change that श्वास, means that breathing. Okay, how many of you want to learn? अभी तक concept clear है? How many of you clear this concept? And mid brain बच्चे, तो how many of you applying mid brain techniques? Reading वाला, writing वाला, everything, exercise है? So now we are going to that technique. I want to show you. Okay, so now my right nostril, now my right nostril is dominating, right? But I want change the left one. Okay, तो opposite में मुझे करना पड़ती है, तो मुझे अभी left वाला करना है ना. I want activate my left nostril. So मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे left side में, look at here, we have the armpit, right? We have this lymph nodes also. So mamas all are here almost science students only, right? Anyone engineering, computer science, computer background? Oh, Rakshit computer background. Rakshit is showing hand. Okay, so how, what we can do, we can make one fist, commerce. Okay sir, so we can keep here and just you can press. हमको 2 minute press करना है. Okay, just you can press and आपको check करना है. now we can do this technique. अभी कितने लोग ready है? अभी आपका पहले check कर दीजिए आपके nostril क्या है. Please everybody check your nostril. Now my right is activated. Right is dominating now. Because मैंने प्रेस करके एक्टिवेट किया है, क्योंकि मैं टीचर हूँ आज, राइट? कितना लोगों का अभी मुझे चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए, लेफ्ट और राइट. दर्शन मैडम, कैन यू शो एक्टिवेटिंग अगेन? ओके, सो लेफ्ट है, अपोजिट साइड वी कैन मेक एज ए फिस्ट. ओके, फिस्ट करना है अपोजिट साइड में. अभी आई वांट एक्टिवेट लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल, राइट? मम्मी है दर्शन. सो नाउ आई नीड टू एक्टिवेट दी. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू डूइंग हियर? वाओ, स्कूल में बहुत बच्चा अच्छा कर रहे, राइट? सो I take the fist. I want to activate my left nostril. So opposite side, I'm taking my armpit के नीचे ये वाला जगह होती है ना. We have the lymph nodes here, right? हमारा जो भी ब्रीथिंग इधर से कनेक्टेड होता है. So now I am making the face, just I am keeping the press like this. This is the very simple technique. You can press. Just 1 minute और slowly remove करना है. Now you can check. मेरा अभी left activate होती है because I am pressing the right side. How many of you pressed? And Soumya, are you done? Because just I am looking your left. Neerja, is Rakshit, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, he missed the initial thing now, so he can't able to cope up.
ఏంటి నీరజ?
అంటే ఇనిషియల్ గా ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ మిస్ అయ్యాడు కదా మ్యామ్, ఎలా చేయాలని నేను చెప్తున్నా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే ఓకే రక్షిత్, నేను చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ. ఓకే, put our hand left or right. See, that's why what is your dominating now, left or right? Check yourself, left or right, which one is now dominating?
Padma ma'am,
Yeah,
maybe the kids are not understanding dominating అనేది, which is like you are able to breathe and in their
yes. In starting point we don't know this technique. With the practice it will come. So simple is this one, right? You can take any normal paper and just you can keep here. Once you can inhale, okay, inhale करना है. Later we can exhale one time. See, look at here. Maybe clear नहीं है इधर. Okay, look at here. This paper is more ओके इसका मूवमेंट ज्यादा हो रही है, इसका राइट का मीन्स मेरा राइट वाला डोमिनेटिंग है. डोमिनेटिंग मीन्स इससे ही मेरा इनहेल एक्सेल अभी रनिंग हो रही है. इनहेल एंड एक्सेल राइट नोस्ट्रिल से. अगर किसी का नहीं हो रही है मीन्स न्यूरॉन्स में बहुत ज्यादा टॉक्सिन्स भरा है, क्योंकि जो लोग मेडिटेशन एंड प्राणायाम करते हैं उसका जल्दी रेस्पॉन्ड होती है बिकॉज ऑल नोस्ट्रिल्स आर क्लियर. जिसका अभी क्लियर नहीं है तो इट विल टेक टाइम, 3 to 4 days or 5 days, maybe sometimes it will take 15 days also.
मैम सानवी का लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रिल एक्टिवेट है, तो अंडर लेफ्ट अंडर आर्म में रखना हैंड.
Yes, now your left is activated now, so you want to check, okay, whether I want change the मैं स्वर, मेरे स्वर को अगर change करना है तो you are testing now. So Sejal, you need to be press on left side, so automatically your right nostril breathing will be started.
எக்ஸாம் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்க்கு இல்லாம இருக்க என்ன டெக்னிக் சொல்றேன். 5:30க்கு ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு. ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்
When the paper suddenly stopped responding to the breath, both nose is not working. No, it's working. Maybe you have cold. It's not working means Sushumna is activated.
Ma'am, make me co-host.
எக்ஸாம்க்கு எக்ஸாம் டென்ஷன் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அவர்.
Who is already you are co-host Nirja, no? Okay.
No.
Yes. Now you are co-host. Now concept is clear. Anyway, I am going to clear one more session also.
Rakshit is having right.
So if anybody is both are not active means we are activated the Sushumna. Sushumna का तो only 5 to 6 seconds से ज़्यादा नहीं होती है, right? In between वाला. So Soumya, you are checked na? So you are changed the nostril breathing left and right.
Right is Yeah, it changed, ma'am. My dominant is actually left, okay? After doing this, it came to right, but it did not stay for long time. Again, it came back to the left only. Like just now you said.
Yes, because you want to listen properly, इसलिए आपका left side में तुरंत जा रही है.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Right, so I hope clear this concept. A new concept है, that's why it will take some time, but mamas knows the technique, so please help to बच्चों के लिए help करना है, ठीक है? Every day you can practice this
Please ever mute చేయండి please. Who is this? Okay, so apply this technique for everything. If you are reading something, बच्चों के लिए नहीं है, not only for students, for everyone you can apply and you can see the miracle change in your way of reading, focus, concentration. Yes, Soumya, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. ఇప్పుడు నాది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ డామినెంట్ ఉంది కదా, why I have to change to the right one? అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫోకస్ పెరగడానికి అని అప్పుడు చేయాలంటారా ఇది?
Yes, Soumya, if you want to do any difficult reading, or maybe you have difficulty in reading something, or maybe any work, so in that time you can activate the right nostril. ये पूरा different होती है उसका कौन सा disease, but now we are focusing on just basic, just line up वाला है, right? Can activate the right one. So now we are moving to the 3 to 4 techniques है, you can use, all of you can use these techniques, especially for board exam. वो वाला है ना, check your right nostril and take that paper and you can start your writing process, right? So now we are moving to the second technique, okay, that is the visualization. And how many of you prepared your vision board? Very simple and easy technique. Darshan. Okay, in MedBrain also I told you many times, in Magic Book also. So how you can prepare? Just you can take white paper. Okay, now if you are not prepared, second technique is visualization process. You can take any plain white paper and आप लोगों को क्या करना है, right, आप लोगों का एग्जाम के रिजल्ट की पेपर, if you have that result paper or maybe result sheet, right, you know that this much percentage in maths 99%, in science how much you do you want, everybody. So आप लोगों को क्या करना है, you can take one print out, okay, for yourself, write your name. For example, I am taking Rakshit, 6th standard or maybe 3rd standard, okay, achieved that much percentage, 97%, 98%, and in नीचे आपको क्या करना है, science, maths, all these things, how much you want to achieve, right? You can write that thing, because subconsciously what we are feeding our subconscious mind. Visualization board. Abhi exams है ना, we have the exam, that's why I'm taking this exam concept, right? Otherwise you can use anything. कितना लोगों को अच्छा लगता है कि सब लोग अगर if anybody is moving in luxury car or maybe they are traveling, हमको भी वैसा रहना है. So everybody wants, right? So इसके लिए क्या करना है, vision is the main thing है, right? So everybody you can use the vision board. I will share in group also. We have get lots of templates in the Google. Okay, so you can use template, just you can take white paper, but not only white, you want to use yellow, green or A4 size, any paper. आप लोगों का just you can print out that your exam result, how much you want to add, okay, and आप लोगों को कैसे चिपकना है, not in the cupboard. आप लोग जहाँ पे देखती हो, हॉल है, where you are reading more, right, आपको हमेशा ऑटो पायलट मोड पे आप लेके जाना है. Second thing, right, and third thing is I am going to give the one mantra. ये मंत्र सबको चांट करना है. This mantra have the immense power, right? अगर if you are doing 10% hard work, that mantra will give the 100% more result. ऐसी नहीं है कि vision method, okay sir, I will take the latter vision method. Now I am finishing the mantra method. Okay, so you can take that mantra, वैसे नहीं कि बहुत बार chant करना है, 4 to 5 times you can chant. I will show you the mantra. I hope everybody is looking this mantra, right? So YouTube also I will share the YouTube link. Maybe if you आप लोग नहीं कर रहे, बच्चा नहीं कर रही है, but just you can put the loop in their bedroom or maybe hall or anyway. Ambika Anandinintana Ashwaroda Aparajita. This will give the 100% success.
in any one. Okay, if you want, you can chant 4 to 5 times. Otherwise, we can get the 100 loops or maybe 1000 loops. Okay, Ambika Anandi, Bhagilata madam, I will share to you. గ్రూప్లో నేను మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ అండ్ మంత్ర సో మీరు పిల్లలకి మీ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూడా వినిపించవచ్చు రైట్
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you.
ओके सो दिस मंत्र विल गिव द इमेंस इफेक्ट आप लोग 1 डे 2 डेज में भी बच्चों की इतना फोकस बढ़ जाता है दे आर मोर एक्टिव दे आर मोर फोकस व्हाट दे आर डूइंग दे कैन डू विद देयर लव not only themselves if anybody is going to give the interview also they can use this mantra. You can get, okay, this is a basic mantra, Ambika Anandi Nitana Ashwaruda Aparajita. Okay, so this is the third technique. Anyone can utilize this mantra. अगर आपको chant नहीं करना है, if anybody is not chanting, just you can keep on the YouTube, okay, you can listen. Yes, Rakshit, you want to ask anything?
आनंदी है अनधी है मैम आनंदी లేదు मैम
Anandi Nitana. No problem, Neeraj, I will share the YouTube link also.
ఓకే మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
ఓకే యూట్యూబ్లో ఉన్నది గ్రీన్ తారా మంత్ర ఎలా ఉంటుందో గ్రీన్ తారా మంత్ర ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఇంటెలిజెంట్ బట్ దిస్ మంత్ర ఈజ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ హూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ ది ఎగ్జామ్స్
ఓకే మ్యామ్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ
ఫర్ మోర్ సక్సెస్ రైట్ I will share in group and fourth one is the so this is Vedic switch word. Okay, this will give the immense effect. Mama, so all of you note down. I want to share 1 second. Cursor okay, so just give me where is whiteboard. Okay, शायद मेरा white board दिख रहा है ना so you can write one Gandiva, right? Text form here.
मैम व्हाइट बोर्ड इज लोडिंग नॉट येट शेयर
మధు రాస్తున్నావు మధు కనిపించట్లేదా నీర్ష
లోడింగ్ మ్యామ్
లోడింగ్ ఓకే ఇట్స్ ఓపెన్ మనీ ఓకే చేసి గాంధీవా రైట్ GA in Gandiva, how many of you know that Arjuna will do, right?
ना व्यान नहीं आया है ना आज तो मैं और मेरे साथ में जाएंगे मतलब दोनों ऑटो से आए हैं
Right, Gandiva. Now it's looking.
Mom,
मैम स्टॉप शेयरिंग एंड रीशेयर अगेन
Okay, అవ్వట్లేదా సరే సో all of you note down Gandiva GANDAVA Gandiva for more focus. Now they are what they are doing, they can do that in Telugu also, you can note down in Hindi also Gandiva, and I will give the one more switch word Gandiva.
GA
Who is this?
Muhammad.
Maha, GANDAVA Gandiva, otherwise Telugulo kuda rayachchu manam.
Okay.
Gandiva. Okay, so you can write Gandiva and you can chant 10-11 times Gandiva on the water. Okay, and you can give to your children. Exam ku velle mundu, everyday reading, school ku velle mundu, everyday what they are doing in reading time. Okay, you can chant this switch word and you can give to your child. For give your intention, especially for focus and concentration. Okay, my whiteboard is not working, so
again
now it's showing whiteboard.
yes ma'am.
Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm able to see.
Okay. So this is the third technique, and fourth technique, that is the batch flower technique, and we are using as a batch flower. Okay, so for batch flower, 1 second, you can note down the. So for students, they have the unwanted fear. Okay, like they don't know why they have that fear. Exam की जो fear होती है ना, fear, and maybe sometimes lack of confidence. Okay, they don't give their 100% performance in their exam. They can read very well, right? They can give proper answers at your home, but they are not giving that much of मीन्स परफॉर्मेंस इन एग्जाम. मम्मा मैंने बहुत अच्छा लिख दिया था, बट जब एग्जाम पेपर देखेगी ना, मार्क्स आएगी बहुत कम. అదర్వైజ్ మమ్మ मुझे याद नहीं है, నాకు గుర్తు లేదు, నేను బాగా చదివాను బట్ నాకు గుర్తుకు లేదు, రైట్? ఫర్ దీస్ అండ్ దీస్ బ్యాచ్ ఫ్లవర్స్, ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ నో దట్. సో బ్యాచ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అనేది ఉండదు, జస్ట్ ఫ్లవర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ నుండి తీసినటువంటి homeopathic అనుకోవచ్చు దీన్ని. ఓకే, ఎనీ స్టోర్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఇట్, any store, all these are available. So just in the group I will share, because in whiteboard it is not working. I will give them, I make one combination for everyone. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కాంబినేషన్ సూట్ అయ్యేట్ చేశాను. ఫర్ ఎనీ వన్ యూ కెన్ గివ్. वैसे नहीं कि this will give any side effect, no, nothing will be happen before going to exam. Or maybe if anybody have the fear or lack of confidence, or maybe they are feeling like that I'm not going to give this exam very well, or maybe for playing the games, so you can give this one, right? Cherry plum. One is just 1 second, I will give in chat box, that is easy for me. Okay, please all of you note down. Cherry plum. These are the combinations I am giving. Chestnut bud, and क्लीमट. ये आप लोगों को जस्ट लिखना है, क्लीमट वाटर वायलेट, राइट? Just I drop in a chat box, all of you can check. Cherry plum, chestnut bud, 3 combinations I have given to you. 3 combinations లో నేను మీకు ఇచ్చాను. ఓకే, నేను గ్రూప్లో కూడా మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేస్తాను మీ అందరికీ. Okay, what you can do, if you can want to buy in physical form, that will be available very less price. Maybe within the 100 rupees you will get all these 3 things. Otherwise, one more technique we have here. अगर किसी के पास village में है, that is not available, so what we can do, we can use the energy circle. Okay, so all these are the secretive methods, but I am giving means just you can surrender and apply those things, right? ये क्यों होता है, कैसा होता है, everything is scientifically, right? We will make one energy circle. अगर किसी को दे रहे तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन भी आप लिख लीजिए. चेरी प्लम इज 16 drops and chestnut drop is 16:8:6. This is the combination. Simply you can add in water. Okay, ఒక గ్లాస్ లో యాడ్ చేయండి these drops, and you can give anything in water, or maybe in tea or juice, anywhere. Okay, for students you can give this thing. I hope this concept is clear. Parents go through అవుతున్నారా ఈ టెక్నిక్స్ ని?
All together in a glass of water.
All together in glass of water, because I make these combination to everybody. Okay, otherwise if anybody is not going to not available for this thing, so we have another technique, but go through the physical only. But if any condition we are not getting, what we can do, we can do the energy circle. Okay, so how we can do the energy circle, right? So First I can take this round, okay, on white paper. Here I am taking the 3 combination, right? So first one, no, everybody is coming. Second, energy circle, and this is the third energy circle. Okay, so now what you can do, here you can visualize you are adding the cherry plum. Otherwise you can write here cherry plum in first thing. Okay, here you can write cherry plum, right? In second you can write chestnut bud here, chestnut bud, right? In third thing, clematis water violet. Okay, okay, in 3 circles you are written here, and you can keep that paper on water and just to chant that water and you can give the child. So this is the remote healing, right? When we are giving physically, that is fine. If we are not giving physically, if that is not available, this is one technique. This is also very secretive technique. I hope all of you clear this thing, energy circuit. ఎంతమంది గో త్రూ అవుతున్నారు ఒకసారి రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్. ఎనీ డౌట్, ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్.
మ్యామ్ ఈ ఎనర్జీ సర్కిల్ ఇంకొకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా?
Energy circle, okay. So now I am giving the 3 combination of batch flowers, right? For specially exam going students. So what I am taking, first one is the cherry plum, right? This is the one cherry plum. Okay, I can write here cherry plum inside. Second energy circle, take on a white plain paper, and second is the, how many combinations I am using? Only 3 combinations. That is the chestnut bud. Okay, here I am writing chestnut bud, right? Second, this is a chestnut bud, and third circle is for the climate water violet. A water violet, why I am giving here, they have the inner feeling, means they don't come, introvert होता है ना, तो उन लोगों के लिए ये सब combination में दिया है. I have given these combination. So you can just take the white plain paper and you can write with the pen. Okay, you can write that names, cherry plum in one, chestnut is one there, and the climate is water violet. And you can take that paper, okay, and keep on the water glass and just chant cherry plum, cherry plum, cherry plum, and chestnut bud, and climate is water violet, right? And you can visualize. You can visualize and give to the children. इतना वर्क करता है बिकॉज समटाइम्स बच्चों को पता नहीं होता है कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, राइट? दे डोंट एक्सप्रेस, मे बी स्कूल में भी कुछ वैसा रीजन होगा, अदरवाइज दे हैव द फियर, एग्जाम की फोबिया होगी, अदरवाइज डर होगा, लाइक दैट, राइट? सो आई होप दिस इज अ क्लियर. महंत राजू गाరు क्लियर, रेवती गौरी एची. Okay, 4 techniques I have given. Okay, and one more मुझे देना था, but it's already 4 techniques is enough for general, right? So please, any doubt? Vision board के लिए महती गाరు, you are asking for vision board, right? So for vision board, this is one in law of attraction. This is the one most important tool. So to manifest the things. How we can manifest, right? For example, simply how many times chanting is same. First one is 16 times, second one is 8 times, next one is 6 times, same chanting. एंड एक दो काम ज्यादा हुआ तो कुछ भी नहीं होता है, इसमें ऐसा नहीं होता है, राइट? बैच फ्लावर एज अ नेचुरल है वो वाला, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. So vision board we can use as a tool
to achieve the things, right? If you have for example आपके बच्चा board में है, I hope 10th or maybe inter, I don't know, so you want to know the he was achieved something like एक अच्छा marks आपके लिए आना है, you want your wish, आपका बच्चे के लिए भी वो wish है, so what you can do, you can take as a white paper, right? So you can write बच्चे का नाम लिखना है, एज भी लिख सकते हो, अदरवाइज ग्रेड यू कैन राइट द ग्रेड नेम, 10th क्लास है तो 10th क्लास, राइट? एंड ऑलरेडी यू आर रिसीव्ड मार्क्स का, तो आपने कभी भी रिसीव किया है ना मार्क्स का शीट, राइट? इन प्री बोर्ड्स में वैसा, तो वो मार्क शीट यू कैन टेक इट एंड यू कैन ऐड दैट मार्क्स, साइंस में इतना है, मैथ्स में इतना है, राइट? सो इतना जितना होना आपको विजन में है, आपका विजन मीन्स आपका गोल है, वो वाला आप लिख दीजिए एंड जस्ट यू कैन स्टिक, राइट? उधर स्टिक करके आप कोई भी अच्छा देखने वाला बच्चा हमेशा पढ़ने जैसा है कि इधर एक टेबल है तो सामने रख दीजिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन, अगर आप थोड़ा एडवांस में है तो यू कैन गेट फोटोज आल्सो, आपके बच्चा का एक फोटो चिपका सकती हो, राइट? उनका बहुत अच्छा ऐसा मेडल ले रही है, अदरवाइज दे आर रिसीविंग दैट सर्टिफिकेट लाइक दैट, मीन्स हियर वी आर लुकिंग द फ्यूचर एज ए विजन. I hope that concept is clear. Madam, for that we can only do chanting. Yes, you can only do chanting if you are not taking in a physical form. Otherwise, you can order it. You will get very less price, very less price. Yes, for student, for mamas also, but this is the for specially. Okay, Samantha. Thank you. For students, for this exam, I make these combinations. But anyone can take that if you have unknowing fear like that. If students is do the chanting, they can do that. If they are not do the chanting, just you can do it and you can give. Only student can do that. Nostril का उनको खुद करना है, बाकी सब you can do it. Not only exam time, now also you can use start Swapna, you can look at. And before ending the session, so that's why I make one program, right? That is the 11 days वाला है, क्योंकि ये पूरा practice करवाना है. So anybody is interested to more, means I have given some techniques only, but I need to add meditation, all those techniques for practice. 11 days practice है. एबो श्रेया, एबो पेपर अंडर नहीं है, एबो करना है उसको, जैसा ग्लास है उसके एबो रखना है, राइट? इसके ऊपर रखना है. And 11 days program we are going to launch, and very minimal price है, right? That is the 499 rupees for 11 days. Continue करना है this program. Maybe Sunday I will give the off because we need to practice that nostril and we need to practice other techniques also. वैसे नहीं कि वो लोग पढ़ नहीं रहे, no, these all techniques will be improve the concentration, focus and more success. Right? Who are interested, ping me personally, right? It is the 499 rupees for 11 days program, and you are going to learn many on another more techniques also, that is very useful to your children, ancient techniques, right? Exact result, because today I taken the general, but बच्चों के हिसाब से उनका थोड़ा background में मुझे पता चलना है. If you want personal, so you can join the program for 11 days. So any feedback?
Ma'am, so many new things we have learned, ma'am, actually, about which is dominant nostril and about all these techniques. I hope these all things are very helpful for us as well as for our kids. And
Yes,
thank you.
all these are very, very helpful, means very helpful to everybody. So any students, interview goers, students, and always coaches are always learners. Right? So now I hope everybody is clear the concept. If you have any doubt, so you can just put on the question in chat box. And thank you for joining this session. I hope I am cleared at least a little bit, because this is a very deep technique. So thank you all of you, and bye everyone. Have a magical evening, and we will meet in person.
Thank you, Padma.
Bye, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye Darshan. Bye Rakshi.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, do we get recording of this, ma'am?
I don't know. I recorded it. If possible, I can upload in the YouTube.
Thank you, ma'am. I joined late, so that I'm asking for this.
Okay. Personal attention is a little bit mean in this. Okay. I have doubt. Shreya. Yes, Shreya.
Thank you so much, madam.
Bhagyalata garu, thank you so much, because you are taking initiation for your students, your lovely students. Okay, I hope everybody get benefit through this session. Okay, if you have any doubt, just you can ask me. Any student feedback? Any student who are joined?
Just left, madam. Only 2 students are there, and they
Okay.
are.
Okay, they are understood.
Yeah, some extent, madam. I will explain.
Okay, okay. So you can explain. Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, bye, all of you. Shreya, you have doubt now? Ma'am, answer. Shreya, what is your doubt? Quickly. So now we can just drop in chat box. Okay. Bye, all of you. Start to miss हो गई श्रेया. Just you can unmute and ask me.
Earphone.
ఓకే ఓకే బాయ్ శ్రేయ మీరు ఒకసారి మెసేజ్లో కూడా డ్రాప్ చేయండి ఓకే క్వశ్చన్ గ్రూప్లో కూడా అడగండి ఐ విల్ గివ్ ది ఆన్సర్ ఓకే బాయ్
బిర్యానీ పార్టీ చేస్తున్నారు
we take 16
అవునా, ఇది చెప్పు, మీకు accept లేదు.